What is up, YouTube? It's Dougie, the mustachioed mechanic. Today we're going to be checking out the HD 1080p action camera from Hype IFX. So why? Like, this isn't a tech blog. This isn't something I normally do as far as it doesn't have anything to do with cars. So you say. So me and my buddy were at Home Depot on some other business, getting some stuff for another project, and we found this at the checkout stand, 25 bucks. So we got to talking, got to thinking. The GoPro Hero 8, which I'm filming on right now, it's like 400 bucks after tax. So there's a lot of things that we don't want to do with it that we could do with a $25 camera if it's decent. We could attach it to the frame rail, suspension, whatever, get some kind of cool shots, do some cool stuff that we wouldn't want to risk destroying a $400 camera. So we bought it, and now we're going to check it out. So I already unboxed it just so I could charge it to make the video. So here it is. It comes in a little waterproof case, kind of reminiscent of the GoPro. I mean, I guess that's kind of what they're kind of trying to copy. So once we get it out of here, it's kind of tricky, but whenever we get it out, I mean, it looks like a freaking GoPro. Turn it on here. It's got a little screen on the back. I don't know if y'all can see that very well. I don't know if it's flickering or anything. The screen reminds me of like those early 2000 digital cameras that we had back in high school. Kind of low quality, but it is what it is. Something that's kind of cool. So it did come with accessories. Came with a handlebar mount. That's pretty cool, especially for like what we just talked about, frame rails and suspension and stuff. Comes with another little case that allows it to attach to the mounts without the waterproof case. They're calling these like helmet and wrist straps, some Velcro kind of ratchet straps, a little swivel mount, another little mount, a base plate with some adhesive, and that's basically it. For $25, I'm not expecting this to be GoPro quality at all. Basically, I'm just looking for decent. It's almost, I mean, $25, yeah, it adds up, but for that price point, it's kind of a disposable camera in my eyes. Like I said, we're filming right now on a GoPro Hero 8 Black. Online, its specs say that it has a 12 megapixel sensor on it. On the box here, this says this is a 16 megapixel camera. That's interesting. We'll see how that actually plays out. Will this actually have decent video quality? So the GoPro has 4K at 30 frames capability. This has 1080p at 30 frames. Okay, these videos I'm not doing in 4K. In fact, this video right now I'm doing is in 1080. So we can do a side-by-side comparison. The battery on the HD 1080p on the Home Depot camera is 900 milliamp hours. The GoPro has 1200 milliamp hours. So I don't plan on using this in such a way where I'm looking for like long shoot time, stuff like that. So I really don't know if that matters well. But the one thing it does have, they both say they have Wi-Fi smart control. I have used the GoPro smart controls. In fact, I'm using them right now. So I can see how the shot lines up. I want to see how that works on the Home Depot camera. The GoPro, right now I've got a 64 gigabyte card in it. I don't know how big of a memory card it'll take because I only have a 64. The Home Depot camera will only take up to a 32 gigabyte. Again, it's not a huge deal, but that is a pretty big difference. All right, so let's see them side by side. All right, so here they are side by side. The first one's the GoPro. The second one with the timestamp right here is the Home Depot camera. So there is a little bit of image quality difference. For what I'm using it for, it's $25. Like, it's not that big of a deal. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. I did have a little bit of a problem with the video. So the video, they have different, I don't know how to say it, they have different depths of field. With that being said, even though you're filming the same thing, they were both side by side, like touching each other, but they recorded different things. So lining that up is an issue, but I think how we're going to use these, we're going to put them on a frame rail, put them underneath, put them at a different angle, something like that. So we're not really going to be trying to line up picture to picture. The Home Depot camera does not have a touchscreen, so that's not going to be a big deal. That's not going to be something that is an issue because we're not going to put it side by side. All in all, I think that this camera is perfect for what I'm going to use it for. If you're going to use it to record your kids' baseball games, something like that, I would find something else. If you're looking to record you doing something, I would find something else. If you're looking to use it as a supplement, something that is disposable, something that you're not worried about it getting destroyed, I would absolutely buy this. I think it is great for that. I'm probably going to go back to Home Depot and get more. So anyways, like with everything else, like, comment, subscribe. The train horn is coming up, so subscribe to that to see when it comes in. Also, I have the follow-up video to my 18 things to keep in your car at all times. I haven't done my medical bag yet. I'm going to do it. So stay tuned for that. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, get notified. Comment below, what do you think about this camera? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think you'll use it? Let me know. All right, till next time. See y'all later.